UPPCS Mains GS Paper 6. Question 1. 125 words. Examine the contribution of Uttar Pradesh to the Indian freedom struggle. Why is it considered the political center of India's national movement? Model answer. Uttar Pradesh played a decisive role in India's freedom struggle due to its political leadership, mass participation, and historic movements. From the revolt of 1857 to the Quit India movement, the state remained at the forefront of the national movement. The revolt of 1857 began in Meerut and rapidly spread to Kanpur, Lucknow, Bareilly, Jhansi, and Shahjahanpur. Leaders such as Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hasrat Mahal, Nana Sahib, and Tatya Tope inspired widespread resistance. Allahabad, Varanasi, and Lucknow later became centers of the non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and Quit India movements. Uttar Pradesh also produced national leaders including Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Purushottam Das Tandon, and Govind Ballabh Pant. Through revolutionary activities, mass movements, and visionary leadership, Uttar Pradesh emerged as the political heart of India's freedom struggle and significantly shaped the country's democratic future. Question 2. 125 words. Evaluate the significance of the revolt of 1857 in Uttar Pradesh. Was it merely a military mutiny or the first war of independence? Model answer. The revolt of 1857 began at Meerut on the 10th of May 1857 and spread rapidly across Uttar Pradesh. Historians differ on whether it was merely a sepoy mutiny or India's first war of independence. Although the revolt originated among soldiers, it soon gained support from peasants, landlords, artisans, religious leaders, and former rulers. Major centers in Uttar Pradesh included Meerut, Kanpur, Lucknow, Bareilly, Jhansi, and Shahjahanpur. Leaders like Begum Hasrat Mahal and Nana Sahib mobilized civil resistance against British rule. However, the movement lacked unified leadership, effective coordination, and modern weaponry, leading to its failure. Nevertheless, it ended East India Company rule and resulted in direct Crown administration under the Government of India Act, 1858. Despite its failure, the revolt of 1857 transformed Indian nationalism. In the context of Uttar Pradesh, it was much more than a military mutiny and laid the foundation for future freedom movements. Question 3. 125 words. Discuss the historical and cultural significance of Prayagraj in the development of Indian civilization. Model answer. Prayagraj, situated at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati, has been one of India's most important centers of religion, culture, education, and politics since ancient times. Ancient texts describe Prayagraj as Tirtharaj, king of pilgrimage centers. The city is associated with the Kumbh and Mahakumbh, recognized among the world's largest religious gatherings. The Ashokan Pillar, Allahabad Fort, Anand Bhavan, Swaraj Bhavan, and Allahabad University highlight its historical and political significance. Prayagraj also served as a major center during the Indian freedom movement and produced several national leaders. Its literary and judicial institutions have greatly influenced India's intellectual and constitutional development. Prayagraj represents a unique blend of spiritual heritage, historical continuity, and democratic traditions, making it one of the most significant cultural centers of Uttar Pradesh and India. Question 4. 125 words. The Ganga-Yamuna Doab has played a decisive role in shaping the political history of Uttar Pradesh. Critically examine. Model answer. The Ganga-Yamuna Doab, the fertile region between the Ganga and Yamuna rivers, has been the political and cultural heartland of northern India since ancient times. Its fertile alluvial soil supported prosperous agriculture, enabling the rise of powerful kingdoms such as the Kurus, Panchalas, and later the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. Important cities like Prayagraj, Kannauj, Agra, and Meerut developed as administrative, commercial, and cultural centers. The region also served as a strategic military corridor, making it the focal point of numerous battles and political transitions. During the freedom struggle, it became a major center of nationalist activities. However, rapid urbanization and environmental degradation now pose significant challenges to its sustainability. The Ganga-Yamuna Doab has been the backbone of Uttar Pradesh's political evolution, and its sustainable development remains vital for the state's future. Question 5, 125 words. Analyze the contribution of Kannauj to the political and cultural history of early medieval India. Model answer. Kannauj emerged as one of the most influential political and cultural centers of northern India during the early medieval period, particularly after the decline of the Gupta Empire. Under Harshavardhana, Kannauj became the imperial capital and a center of diplomacy, religion, and learning. Later, it became the focal point of the famous tripartite struggle among the Gurjara Pratiharas, Palas, and Rashtrakutas, reflecting its immense strategic and economic importance. Kannauj also gained international recognition for its perfume industry, craftsmanship, and trade. The city attracted foreign travelers and contributed significantly to the spread of Indian art, literature, and cultural traditions. Kannauj symbolized political supremacy and cultural excellence in early medieval India, leaving a lasting legacy in the historical development of Uttar Pradesh. Question 6, 125 words. Discuss the significance of Buddhist heritage in Uttar Pradesh and evaluate its role in promoting cultural tourism. Model answer. Uttar Pradesh occupies a central place in Buddhist history as several major events in the life of Gautam Buddha took place within the state. Sarnath, where Buddha delivered his first sermon, is one of Buddhism's holiest sites. Kushinagar marks the place of his Mahaparinirvana, while Shravasti and Kaushambi are associated with his teachings and monastic activities. These sites preserve stupas, monasteries, pillars, and archaeological remains of immense historical value. Today, the Buddhist circuit attracts pilgrims and tourists from across the world, generating employment, improving infrastructure, and strengthening international cultural ties, particularly with Buddhist-majority countries. However, better conservation, interpretation facilities, and sustainable tourism practices are still required. The rich Buddhist heritage of Uttar Pradesh is both a symbol of India's civilizational legacy and a powerful driver of cultural diplomacy and sustainable tourism.